What's up you guys? Welcome back to our channel. So right now we are back with a new video. So yung video na to is kung ano yung mga essentials or mga gamit na dadalhin ko for our 2 days hike in Mount Pulag. Mount Pulag is the highest mountain in Luzon and third in the Philippines with an elevation of 2,926 meters above sea level. So right now, hindi lahat ng bundok pare-pareho yung mga dadalhin yung gamit. It depends kung ano yung may mga bundok na mainit sa peak or may mga bundok na sobrang lamig like Mount Pulag. Right now, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is kung ano-ano yung mga essentials na kailangan nyo during your hike in Mount Pulag. Mount Pulag, it can be done a day hike pero medyo challenging po yun. But advisable is 2 days po talaga siya na hiking in Mount Pulag. There are several trail na pwede nyong tahakin sa Mount Pulag. It can be Ambangeg trail, yun yung pinakamadali but the longest one. Yung pinaka-toughest naman is Akiki trail. So yun yung pinakamahirap na trail naman. But on this one, sa hike namin, this is my second time going to Mount Pulag. Kaya medyo alam ko na kung ano yung mga dadalhin. Right now, without further ado, papakita ko na sa inyo kung ano-ano yung mga gamit na dadalhin ko in our Mount Pulag 2 days hike. Here we go! So first, unahin ko na to. This is a DJI OSMO action camera. And together with this one, I have 2 extra batteries. Trail food. So first, I have this almond nuts. Yan, almond nuts. Jelly Ace, and then again my favorite, kasama na rin to sa nasabi ko sa previous vlog ko din, Choco Mocho and Snickers. I have total of 6 bars, and then after that shades. Kakailanganin natin ng shades, especially pag nasa summit ka na ng Mount Pulag kasi medyo mainit-init na doon. So eye protection nyo rin yan. Up next, wet wipes. Kailanganin nito in case hindi nyo kaya yung lamig ng tubig. So punas-punas lang after your hike or pinagpapawisan na. So super lamig talaga doon. So sabi ko nga, it will go down as low as 4 degrees. So most probably hindi ka maliligo doon, punas-punas na lang. So yan, wet wipes, hydration bladder. Pangalawang beses ko na itong manggagamit with my hike. First sa Mount Pigingan. This is from DEUTER 3 liters na hydration bladder. After that, of course, since mag-start yung hike natin ng madaling araw, so medyo gabi pa, madilim pa, so we'll be needing a flashlight or headlamp. Yung headlamp ko is Energizer headlamp. Yan, nag-change yan. Medyo malakas itong headlamp na to kasi maximum of 200 lumens. Yan. Gloves. Kakailangan nyo po ng gloves pag magma-Mount Pulag kayo kasi sa sobrang lamig nga, kailangan nyo ng protection sa mga kamay nyo. And then after that, I have this my electronic pouch wherein dito nakalagay yung mga extra batteries, remote control ng drone, charger for my action camera batteries, charger for the AA battery na rechargeable for para sa headlamp in case kakailanganin natin, so at least ready lang. I have 2 extra batteries for my drone, the DJI MAVIC Air drone. 2 extra batteries for my DJI OSMO action cam na nakalagay sa case. Next is extra battery for my CANON M50, extra memory cards and a micro SD for my cameras. And then socks, hiking socks. So it is very important na mamili kayo ng appropriate na socks. Merong mga running socks, merong pang hiking socks. Ito pang hiking socks siya. Comfortable siya sa mga paa nyo kasi super kapal nito and protection na rin sa lamig. And then power bank. You will be needing a power bank in case maglalobat yung mga cellphones and other batteries nyo. So this is 20,000 mAh na power bank. I have two cell phones here. One is my regular phone na gagamitin ko, and then next is ito yung gamit kong phone for the remote ng DJI MAVIC Air na drone. And then I have here the drone, the DJI MAVIC Air. And then after that, hindi mawawala dapat yung trekking pole. I have two trekking poles here. Yan, kakailanganin natin yan. And then ito, kakabili ko lang nito. This is, ayan, eco-friendly na mga utensils. So, merong spoon, fork, and then knife, chopsticks, bamboo straw, and yung panlinis ng straw. So, yung product na to is all, gawa ito lahat sa kawayan. So, kakabili ko lang to. This is from Kayawan na company. Yan. Ihuli ko na yung mga clothing natin kasi yun yung medyo marami-rami. So, I have here my sandals. This is important after hike or in case na medyo sumakit na yung paa nyo. So, kailangan nyo na mag-sandals. At least may pampalit kayo sa shoes nyo. And then next is your trekking shoes. So this is really important, guys, na meron kayong dedicated na shoes sa hiking, kasi maraming klaseng shoes. May running shoes, merong rubber shoes or whatsoever. Ito naman is the trekking shoes. This is from Merrell na trekking shoes. So this will be my second time na magagamit itong shoes na to. Okay siya, comfortable. Hindi naman sumakit yung paa ko during my hike in Mount Pigingan. Up next is the backpack. So very important din na you choose bag na pang hiking talaga siya, kasi meron din maraming klaseng backpack na pwede nyong gamitin, but you should choose yung bag na pang hike talaga. So this is a 34 liter DEUTER Trail Pro 34. So this is a 34 liters. Nagamit ko na rin to sa Mount Pigingan. So soon gagawa ko ng review nito, kasi so far maganda naman siya gamitin. So comfortable naman tong backpack na to. So yan, meron naman siyang air contact flow yan dyan, airflow yan dyan. So yan, so far advisable naman siya for about 2 to 3 days na hiking. So kaya lahat ng gamit nyo dito. So it's a matter of paano nyo lang i-arrange yung mga gamit nyo inside your bag and yung mga ikakabit nyo outside your bag. So pwede nyo ikabit outside yung trekking pole, kung ano na pa yung mga gamit na pwedeng ikabit outside. Lastly, so ito na tayo, guys, sa clothing. So sa mga damit na dadalhin natin or susuotin natin, this is really important kasi sobrang lamig nga doon. You need several layer of clothing. So ito lang yung meron. You have your own choice naman. You can look online naman kung ano yung mga pwede nyong gamitin, but this is just kung ano yung dadalhin ko at gagamitin ko on my Mount Pulag. So first and foremost, so this is the arm sleeves. Importante ito especially during descent na, kasi medyo mainit na, tanghali na yon. So kailangan ninyo po para hindi masunog ang balat nyo sa braso nyo. Arm sleeves. After that, so since nga malamig, kailangan nyo po ng bonnet. So it can be bonnet or itong klaseng cap na to or hat na to na meron na siyang boot na siya hanggang sa tenga. Yan. So syempre kailangan nyo ng pantakip ng tenga nyo, kasi sa sobrang lamig hindi nyo kakayanin na walang pantakip sa tenga nyo. So importante yan. Cap na meron ng air cover. Yan. Or bonnet. Pwede na rin bonnet para isahan na yan. Wala lang din. And then of course hindi mawawala ang ating towel. Based sa weather forecast, this coming hike namin. So medyo uulan yata kasi 40 to 60% chance of rain yung weather forecast sa Mount Pulag. So prepare your raincoat. So this is my raincoat from Decathlon. Ayan, raincoat po yan. And then I have 3 t-shirts panglaban natin sa lamig. So magdadala ako ng 2 jacket. So I have 2 jackets na i-layer ko yan. So first ko palang layer is the t-shirt. Ito yung gagamitin ko, first layer. And then after that, jacket color gray. And then kung talagang malamig pa, another jacket, another layer of jacket, yan na color dark green. You need to have a windbreaker. So meron akong windbreaker dito from Uniqlo. Yan, kailanganin natin yan kasi mahangin din po sa Mount Pulag. So yun kasing nagpapa dagdag lamig din, yung hangin. After that, lower naman is meron akong dalang cyclings, and sasapawan ko siya ng trousers ko. So itong trouser na to nagamit ko na sa Mount Pigingan na hike ko. So maganda tong trouser na to kasi convertible siya into shorts. Pwede po siyang ma-remove yung kalahati nito. Pwedeng ma-remove yung kalahati, yan. At pwede siyang magawang shorts. Yan, balik. Okay? Yun yung magandang feature nito. And stretchable. So comfortable po siya gamitin. Okay? Okay, there you guys. So yun po yung pinakita ko sa inyo na mga dadalhin ko sa Mount Pulag namin na 2 days hike. So again, importante guys na iba't ibang bundok is iba't ibang weather po talaga siya. So kailangan alamin nyo po yung weather ng bundok or yung temperature ng bundok na aakyatin nyo. Kasi from there, doon yung makilalaman kung ano pa yung mga kailangan yung dalhin, dagdagan, or ibawas doon sa mga gears na dadalhin nyo on your hike. That's all for now, and I hope you already subscribe to this channel for more travel videos. And if you like this video, share this to your friends and family. And then that's all for now, and abangan nyo po yung vlog ko for my second hike aakyat ng Mount Pulag. So that's all for now. See you. Bye!